I have been wanting to cover these chairs for a long time. Originally, when I purchased the dining room set, it came with the plum color fabric on the chairs. And of course, when I purchase something or try to decorate, I try to match everything. So I had the plum curtains, the plum accessories, plum vases, whatever. It was plum color back in the day. Now this dining room set is it's only two of a kind. My friend had one custom made and I did as well. Years ago by a company called David Stewart Imports. That was way back in the day when the wood, iron, wrought iron thing was going on. Now in the past I have covered those chairs with a beige leather, but then I got tired of it and I decided to go back to the original plum color. Now the material that I'm putting on it is actually leftover material from an IKEA curtain that I cut short for a shorter window, and I decided I wanted to use this material because the curtains that's in the dining room and the living room now are gray, of gray velvet, and I could have covered the chairs to match it, but I decided this material is a beige and it also has stripes of gray in it, so I decided to use it. So here you can see I'm using my staple gun, which I got this brad nailer as well as this electric staple gun, and as you can see I'm trying to cover it here. Now I could have put some more fabric over the fabric and got rid of that ugly, I don't know what you call that material, but I decided I'm not going to do that because knowing me, I'm probably going to remove that that fabric at some point and cover it with something else, or go back to the original purple or plum color like I have in the past. Now the chairs originally was rustic, and I took it outside and sprayed it black matte, and as well as my bar cart, which was gold. My Visjo wall shelf was black originally when I purchased from IKEA years ago, and then I sprayed it gold to match the bar cart, and now I decided to spray it back black, and of course spray the bar cart black, as well as my oak bar shelf that I have all my pots and pans sitting on. Alright, here is the finished cushion. I tell you, if you're going to do a project like this, that looks so messy underneath, I don't know what happened there. And I could actually get some more of that material and just put it over that, but like I said, nobody's looking under there, and I don't plan on keeping this material a long period of time. To be honest with you, I'm not 100% feeling this, but for now it's okay. Because I was trying to get away from a lot of the dark colors, like my dark sofa, which is gray, which eventually I want to change that out to a light tan. Hope you enjoyed this video.